Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Jeffrey Dino, 22 years old, from Sapriana, Sinaid, Ilocos, Philippines. Recently enrolled in University of Northern Philippines, College of Technology, taking up Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Automotive. My objectives are to apply and enhance my knowledge in my field of specialization through hands-on experience. I render on-the-job training at the University of Northern Philippines Motor Pool for 3 months. I passed the National Competency of the Technical Education Skills Development Authority. My specialization is engine troubleshooting, tune-up, under chassis, powertrain, and driving. I hope that I can contribute something good for your company. Thank you, sir.